So as many people have been asking, Benki is going to take a quick session because I think most of us have been talking about how do we take the recording. When I asked Venki, he said it will take around 30 minutes or 45 minutes. I said, no, we don't want 30, 45-minute session. What we will do is we will take one step at a time. So today is going to speak on how do you take a video at home, the most effective way to take a video at home, and what are the equipments which are required. And in the next community meeting, he is going to tell us about what are the tools which we can easily download from the net and edit the video, which is also very important. So that's going to be the second one. And then the third one is going to be the topic for the next community meeting. I'm going to introduce a very important and a powerful concept thanks to Pratik and Meenal. It simply slipped my mind. Okay, and this is a very important aspect for a speaker, is how do you introduce, when you're hosting an event, when you're a master of ceremony, what do you do? What are the do's and don'ts? And particularly in terms of how do you introduce, it's called as TISN, TISN formula. I'm going to give a sample. And at that point in time, we'll be going live on Facebook also today. I plan to go live on Facebook, right? So please maintain your etiquette. I know you guys are super good and you will always maintain etiquette. Okay, so that's how it's going to be. So I think, we have not even heard, it's a long time since we have heard each one of them. So I'm going to just give a simple template. Look at the chat box. The chat box can help you. I'm not going to give a PowerPoint presentation. Your name, your location, your batch, first batch or second batch. Most of you sitting here are for the first batch. Second batch, somebody came in and dropped out. Batch, and then who's your best buddy in the group so far? Best buddy in the group so far. And then what do you do? What's your primary profession? Okay. So shall we always start with the youngsters before we go to the Buddha ho gaya, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So the first privilege goes to Bharat Jitani. So can we hear about you, Bharat?
Sure. So my name is Bharat Jithani. I'm from Mumbai and I'm from batch 2, right? JVC batch 2.
Yes,
yeah?
yes.
Okay. I'm a master franchisee for Ascentive like JVC Shriram in Central India. I wanted to understand how they can build their own communities and make much more better way to get connected to people. So a lot of people call me as effective connector or effective communicator. So I came to JVC to hone my skills on public speaking, which came to me by coincidence. I was never a speaker. I am a complete introvert, and JVC helped me to make it much better. So still working on it. Thank you, JVC. And no one is my buddy right now. If any of your group wants to become a buddy, most welcome.
So who's the person with whom you are most comfortable with interacting in your batch?
In my batch,
yeah,
I used to interact in the sessions itself, nothing offline.
Outside, offline, you never did any kind of interaction. Okay.
Yes.
Beautiful. Okay. Next, we can go ahead as far as batch 1 is concerned. In batch 2, we have anybody else in batch 2 as of now? No? Okay.
No.
So we can go ahead. We can start with somebody who connected batch 1 and batch 2. Is he there? Saurabh is not there. Okay. I think he lost.
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Yeah. Saurabh, can you go ahead? Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. So my name is Saurabh Jawanpuria. I am from Jamshedpur, but currently just shifted to Dubai a week back. And it's really great to be back into the work stream. I am a chartered accountant by profession, and I lead consulting services from Hyderabad, which is Elenco, for their Middle East business. So I am into risk advisory and internal audit. And till now, my best buddy in the batch I have been interacting to a lot of people in the batch. I have been in very close interaction with Pratik, Shruti, Deepika and all. So with all, I was working with them. And luckily, because of this speaking sessions and this speaking assignment, I am able to be back to my training kind of thing and getting some or the other opportunities here and there with the social organizations to work. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I think, Bharat and others also, we need to say, I think we should thank Saurabh for taking the initiative of connecting people with Marwari Yuva Samaj, where he was an office bearer, and Pratik Kothari and Deepika Chopra, whose husband is pretty ill today. That's the reason why she's not there. Both of them would be speaking in keynote speakers on Sunday, this Sunday. So that's something great. So who would like to go next? Yeah, Pratik.
Okay, so my name is Pratik Kothari. My current location, my hometown is in Chittorgarh, Rajasthan. I was working in Pune. So there are actually 2-3 news that I wanted to share. First is me getting engaged. It took me a lot of time, more than around 2 years to convince my parents and everyone. But yes, I got engaged and my marriage is on 7th of December. Another great thing is, I don't know if she has proved lucky for me. So I've got a very good opportunity of working with an investment bank in Bangalore. So I have resigned 5 days back and I'll be joining my new job in Bangalore. Third good thing that happened was Sriram sir giving me the opportunity to write a book with him. That is, I would say, one of the biggest opportunity of my life. Fourth good thing happened was when Sriram sir gave me and Meenal a chance to host the program. That itself proved like a very big rocket confidence for me. And another thing that happened recently, and I'm very, very grateful to Saurabh Javanpuria for giving me and Deepika the opportunity to be a keynote speaker along with him and to present at the Marwari Yuva Samaj about the new education policy. Now, talking about, I basically am from batch 1 and talking about the best buddy in the batches. So actually, I have interacted with a lot of people in this group and many people have become a very good friend of mine. One would be Khyati, another would be Saurabh Botra, one would be Saurabh Javanpuria, and yes, Meenal, of course. So yes, and bearing these, I have interacted with Vanki, Hari, Shruti, and many more people in the group. So yes, this group has actually been transformational for me, and so many good things have happened because of the session that Sriram sir took. Right from getting the opportunity to speak to, I don't know, being confident in my personal life as well. So thank you, Sriram sir, and thank you all of you for being a very great supporter of me.
Harish Reddy, you can go next.
Yes, sir. Yeah, good evening, everyone. My name is Harish Reddy. I am from batch 1. I am from Hyderabad. I worked in Bangalore for 4 years, but currently shifted completely to Hyderabad. Coming to my best buddy, to be frank, I have interacted with everyone in this group on a regular basis, but I disturbed a lot with Venki because I wanted to start a YouTube channel and recording videos. So I used to call him every alternate days and ask him suggestions as to which light I have to buy, which green screen I should buy, and which software I need to use. So in that way, I interacted a lot with Venki, and with everyone else, I have got a very good rapport, and this group is really awesome. And coming to like what I do, I'm a chartered accountant by profession. Teaching is my passion. So because of that reason, I quit my job and started doing on my teaching career. And unfortunately, the moment I planned to start the batch and these lockdowns and also it got postponed for some while. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Okay, can we have Abhinav from batch 1? Abhinav, just an introduction.
Yes.
Your name,
yeah,
your
hi,
location. Yeah, I thought you're able to see the introduction part of it. What is it you need to introduce yourself as?
yes, yes.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening, all. It's a pleasure to be in this community. I know a lot about this community. I was just waiting for it that when it would start. So my name is Abhinav Mathai. I'm from Kerala, but right now based in Hyderabad. I'm working in one of the advertising companies in Hyderabad as a programmatic account manager. I was from Sriram sir's last public speaking batch. at the end of the day, definitely want to everyone and see everyone's transformation. Because I also feel that, with your journey, I would also be a part of it and I can grow. So I was really waiting. And yes, thank you so much again for letting me and, be a member of this community.
Great. Who wants to go next, Mr. Raghuram? I can see your face.
Yeah, so good evening, everybody, and welcome to our new members, Abhinav and Bharat Jitani. My name is Raghuram Natarajan, and I hail from Hyderabad. Currently, I have a business established in Bangalore into waste management and coming out with innovative solutions using waste management and waste plastics. And as far as I come from the batch one, and unfortunately, I'm not able to single out one person, from the batch. Every single person has contributed to my learning process, and I have learned a lot of things from each and everybody. And so together as a team, we are all trying to come up, and we are all trying to help each other. And all the very best for the batch two members who have joined this community. And let us all together work towards a better country and a better group. Thank you.
Who would like to go next?
Saurabh, after, yeah.
Another NRI? Start.
No, Saurabh wants to go, or should I?
Go ahead, Shashidhar.
Okay, hello everyone. This is Shashidhar Bhairapu. I live in Dubai for my profession. I'm from batch one of JVC Sriram, become a speaker. What I do, I'm by profession an environmental professional working for Dubai municipality, and by passion, I'm a coach. Best buddies, I could say Meenal and Deepika, as well as Harish Reddy. Where are you? Disappeared. Harish and all other people whom I'm interacted from time to time. Yeah.
Saurabh, can you go ahead?
Hello. Yeah. Good evening, everybody. My name is Saurabh Bothra, and I am based out of Ahmedabad. So I am a chartered accountant by qualification, but I am also CFA by qualification. So my work is mostly in CFA domain. I work with an investment bank based out of Shenzhen, China, and out of this group, I have interacted more or less with everyone, but I cannot call out any. I think the most interaction I had with Sriram sir yourself over the course of the publishing of book, we have had many sessions and many calls. So I think I'm very much comfortable with you. And second, I think I have most interacted with Pratik so far. So hopefully we will be writing a book soon. Thank you.
You guys have to get ready. We have Siddharth who has joined and who's having a bad internet connection. Amit, can we have you? Have you reached home? I don't know. Neha? Go ahead, Neha.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, C. Neha Lunia. I'm from Mahasamund, Chhattisgarh. I belong to batch one, and a few of my achievements I want to share. I took a class on brain development and techniques in which 200 plus students across the India has joined, and I get so much love with them. For tomorrow, there is one more webinar, Zero Zindagi, in which 140 plus responses are there, and hoping it will be good. And few more, I planned few more such like of webinars. Thank you everyone, and I belong to batch one, and in this class I interact with few of them because I talk less, and most I interacted with Meenal. Meenal is one of my good friend now, and at present I am a practicing chartered accountant and a faculty in Anhata professional classes, and want to be a good speaker. Thank you everyone.
Thank you. We are hearing you after a long time, my dear friend, Neha.
Sir, I want to come with some good achievements. That's why.
That's what you've been telling me. That's what you've been telling me. Before this guy flies away to Canada, Swagat Kumar.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. My name is Swagat, and I'm originally I'm from Hyderabad, and currently I'm in Hyderabad, but I'm living in Canada. I'm from batch 1, and my best buddy in the group so far. I had very few interaction with with you all guys. So I just interacted with Harish and Venki. So I feel comfortable with Venki actually. And by profession, I'm into healthcare, and I welcome the batch 2, and I see that our batch 1 is all like action takers. All the very best. Take care.
Can we have Niti, please?
Sure. Sure, sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Niti Karakia. I'm from Hyderabad, and I'm from first batch. And I do my business over here in Hyderabad. We do all types of industrial pipe fittings and valves, which is being used in pharmaceutical and bulk drug industry. Regarding best bud in the group, I haven't been in touch with many of them over here. Regularly, I just touch in Raghuram and Venki because of they are there with me in the RM chapter in BNI, and I do in touch with Amit. Otherwise, I'm not in touch with anybody. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's get in touch more.
Sure, sir. Sure. Sure.
We have Shruti. Shruti and then Venki, if I'm right.
Good evening, all. I am Shruti Suneja, a chartered accountant by profession. And in a journey of becoming from nothing to something, JVC Sriram sir has sown a seed that I can also be transformed to become a keynote speaker. And yes, I'm just about to realize that dream and in the journey of becoming. So that is all about, and I have interacted with so many people in the group: Shashidhar, Saurabh Botra, Saurabh Javanpuria, Khyati, Deepika Chopra, and so many others. I'm in contact with all of them. So it's and Venki, it's an awesome group and bringing out the awesomeness in me. Thank you.
Is it now time for Venki?
Yes, sir.
Amit is 1 minute. Venki, Amit is, let me check whether Amit is able to introduce himself or he's still driving.
No, sir. I have reached home. I'll be able to introduce now.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Good evening, friends. My name is Amit Hirawat. I am from Hyderabad. Live and stay here. I am a businessman. I deal in products that are used for decorating your homes, making them more beautiful. And I am a part of the batch 1. Lot of friends, I've known all the people here now, but haven't got a chance to interact with them more often. But yes, I know Niti Bhai very well over here in Hyderabad. And because of this pandemic, as you all know, we are not getting chances to meet everybody. But yes, in the coming time, whoever is in Hyderabad, I know a few people that are there in this group now. I plan to meet all of you. Definitely we'll meet. And yes, when the travels and all begin, whoever is there, wherever we are going, we'll definitely try to catch up. Thank you and all the best to everyone.
Thank you very much, Amit. Thanks to all.
Yes, sir.
I've held Venki basically because the idea is that Venki is now going to give a very short presentation in terms of how do we create a video. A powerful video which can be created. I think we should, I can personally tell you that Venki has created an amazing videos for me for the launch. It has been a stupendous journey. He's an young guy with a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of passion and energy, and the commitment with which he worked and the way in which he has actually gone about taking my ideas and in spite of his schedules and although we put a lot of, and pressure was coming from every direction. I was asking something, Saitej was asking something, who's my nephew. Pratik was giving us another idea, Saurabh another idea, Kyati another idea, and Meenal another idea. And he had to collect everybody's ideas. And the angry young man became a little soft. I think Niti and others will be knowing that. Niti and all will know. I think it matured a lot. He has come to a stage where the course has actually helped him. I should thank Vikram for actually connecting him with us. And
Yes.
I think all of us would get a lot of benefit out of Benki's expertise. Although at this point in time, because of various things, you are not able to use his services as a video, specialist, because I'm sure that he will take the video, because he saw the picture of the boy and girl, right? Pratik, I think you should ask him to come to Chitrakurg and ask him to shoot the candid pictures and all. I think those of you, and that too,
Yes, definitely.
with people like Shruti, Deepika, Saurabh, and Neha going big in terms of training and coaching, videos are going to be essential. And I think you should all take his services. And he is here today with us to give us an overview, a simple overview of how do we go about shooting video and what are the essentials. 15 to 20 minutes, and then I will take up the next part of the schedule. Okay, and we're also going to come out with something new today, new feature that also we'll have. Now, we're over to Venki.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your beautiful words. And thank you, everyone, for supporting me. And without this awesomeness, I'm not like this. So before I was like in a neutral stage. And nowadays, so many of people are saying me that my transformation is went into the next level. So this is Venki, and I'm a filmmaker. I'm from first batch, and my buddies saw this awesomeness group. So I used to interact with Harish, Swag, Raghuram sir, Meenal, and Jaykumar sir. So let's get into the video making skills. How to make a pro video in just 5 steps. Sir, can you mute everyone?
I'm muting. I'm personally going and muting everybody. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. How to make a pro video.
Myself also, Venki. Okay.
Sir, yes, sir. How to make a pro video in just 5 steps. 1. Camera steady. 2. Lighting. 3. The sound. 4. Background. And 5. And the angle. So let's come to the camera steady. So you have to make your camera steady without shaking or without moving anywhere. So if your camera is in a stable way, it looks impact the viewers. So now we are all in laptops or on mobile phones. It will be stable. It's not moving. If the camera is moving like this, it's not a good thing. So you have to use tripods, or you have to take support of some tables or some hangings or books like that. I suggest to go with the tripod. Tripod is also with not the pointed or low one. This is the tripod I'm using for my cameras. Just check the ground thing, the grip or the legs are very strong. So if you go with the thinner legs, it won't be stable. It will be very thin, and with the air also it will fall down. So go with the proper tripod. And second one, lighting. So lighting is much more important. Go with the ring lights or LED lights. You can see here, this is the ring light, which gives, now Sriram sir also using, and you can see the brightness and the quality of his video now. And you can go with these LED small lights also. These are battery lights. You can go with these kind of lights, and you have to adjust your lighting properly according to your place, camera, and all. If you can use a mobile phone. Even you use mobile phone also, take a check your mobile phone quality is, or megapixel is in a high resolution. There is no need of going with the only proper camera, big cameras. See, this is the mobile phone tripod I'm using right now. If you use these kind of small tripods also, that would be good for your videos. And lighting, use ring lights or LED lights must, and natural light is also fine if you are doing in outdoor or on a balcony or lawn. Take care of the lights, and you have to stand in a shadow and check your light is not burning your face with a high highlight. So these two are important. And the third thing is sound. Take care of your sound by using your mics. The proper mics you need to buy. Proper mics. And some phones, their mic quality is very good, but still I prefer to go with the pocket mics or collar mics, and check whether the outside sound, there is no disturbance from the outside. And fourth thing, background. Background will be must. You have to check your background properly according to your what are you teaching or what are you making a video for. So for me, my background is my teachings are now for how to make a video. So I use my background like white background and the light and the camera. So for someone, it will be something like a teaching. They can use a bookshelves, and they can use their office tables, and their background must be good. And you can use a plain backgrounds, or you can use professional backgrounds, professional setups, or you can go with the beautiful walls designed or decorated, or you can sit in a lawn, so that you can make your background much beautiful. And the fifth one is angle. You need to adjust your camera in a proper angle. Like if you see my video is proper in a center way. There is not all the corners are proper. And if you, some videos will be like this, I can't see anything like these kind of videos won't give much impact. At least you have to show till at least your chest level and make your head level a little only. Just try not to cover all the exteriors of your wall or anything. And don't come very closer. Don't make yourself like a close, like this kind of videos don't make. At least maintain some distance so that everything, the background beauty and your face and everything will appear properly. And the side things and the top things, don't make your camera angles like that. If you see some videos, they used to keep in a down level and they used to record it, so that won't give you a proper impact. My camera, my laptop camera is here in the downstairs. That's why the video is looking like this. So I have to look down. If I go with the proper camera, my camera angle will be in a straight way and it will appears only till here. So check your angle properly. Angle is must. If you take an angle, the exteriors completely, that won't be the good impact. You have to crop again, and you have to do. And your sitting position and your standing position must be neat, steady. Make your knee straight, and you have to give your video, shoot your video. And the one last thing is keep taking multiple shots, because if you are professional and you are perfect with your script, you can go with the 1 or 2 takes. And if you are not, this facing camera is more important. It is not that easy. We can face 100 people also, but facing camera is much difficult. So what we do is we record it multiple times. If I did mistake in one line, what we have to do is say the line again. See, if this is Venki and I'm a filmmaker. This is if these things comes continuously, what I do is I will quit this and I will make a pause and I will record it again. This is Venki and I'm a filmmaker. So what we have to do is we can easily edit in the software. This is so easy. If you won't tell this line again, we can't get a proper video. If these small mistakes we can edit in the software, so you will get a pro video. So this helps a lot. And if you upload, if you implement these all 5 plus this last one, taking multiple shots, these things, you will be the pro. When you upload also, everyone will say, bro, this is pro video. So these are all the things. And for softwares, coming to the software, for beginners, Filmora software is better. And if you are editing in mobile phones, yes, if you are editing in mobile phone, CanStar and Filmora, there are two which are very easier for beginners. So these are all the two softwares. And next time we'll go with the how to edit a video in a pro level. So thank you everyone. Hope everyone got my points. If you have any doubts, I can explain.
Okay, I would request people to, if you have a question, so now thank you very much, Venki. You might have some questions.
Yes,
I have another few minutes, so you can ask those questions. Whoever asks questions.
Yeah, one more thing, I forgot mic I said, right? So use a proper mic, and these are the two mics I use. One is Boya mic, and one is Sennheiser and Rode mics. These three mics are very good for the beginner. And the equipment which I have said, it will be comes around in 6,000. You will get all the things, LED light, mic, and a stand. All these things will come in 6,000 to 8,000 in budget only. If you get these things, it will be comes for a long time.
And Venki, if they take the video and if they have to have effects and all those stuff, you can do it for cost, right? That is not an issue.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if they send the raw video to you, you will be in a position to make it into kind of a film and say, give it across the way in which you did for me.
Yes, sir, completely. Editing part, title, music, and everything. I will make them. Editing part I will do.
Yeah. So what he also suggested was for me to take in two angles. If you see my video, promo video, we had used two cameras, two iPhone cameras, because we have two tripods. So one was the straight angle, another was coming as an side angle. So both the videos were sent to Venki, and he chose which one to use on side and which one. In fact, that came out. The effect was very good. In fact, a lot of people appreciated that video. That that you need to tell that also. What all the angles in which people can take video? Venki, can you answer that?
Yeah, any two angles is perfect, or if you go with the three angles also, that will be fine. One is wide angle, and if you go with the straight angle only, if you go with the zoom thing, that would be good. Or else you can go with the side angle, side a little closer to the wide angle. So these two angles will be much better, and these angles gives more and more impact on audience, on viewers.
Okay. Sorry, I'm having a lot of questions, but others can also start. You can just put your hand, raise your hand, or your traditional style, or put a raise hand option. One more question I have is, how do we stop flickering? Like Pratik's video testimonial, there was flickering. My video also flickering was there. So how do we stop flickering?
Flickering lights, sir.
Eyes.
Eyes. I didn't get.
Like this.
Harish, Indila Telugulo cheppocha?
Cheppan sir. Okay.
Harish, flickering na enti? Telugulo cheppocha?
Like this, Venki, like this.
Okay, got it.
Telugu, yeah.
The video is shaking, no? Sometimes.
That is camera stability, no?
Yeah, camera stability.
No, not stability actually, Venki. Lighter blur. Change
light
also
flickerings. Yeah, light flickerings.
Yeah, light flickering.
For some cameras, there is a proper setting, shutter settings. You need to adjust the shutter settings. So most of the mobile phones also there is a shutter settings, but most of the people doesn't know. If you go to the settings, you need to adjust your setting levels according to your light. if you have the flickering go down like around 40 or 50 shutter speed, so then it won't flicker.
Mr. Raghuram, your video also had a problem because you had shortened the tube light. If you remember, I had commented on the same thing with the YouTube video.
Yes.
Yeah, Bharat, you have a question. Please go ahead.
Yeah, so there are so many ring lights and so many tripods. If you can name the brand, it will be easier for us to buy it and which ring light you're using, which tripod you're using it.
Ring light, go with the Simpex or Ti-Fi ring lights. They
Can
are
you
much.
type it in the chat box, please? It'll be easier. It'll be there so that it will be easier. Yeah.
I think you should send a Word document of all the equipment.
Yeah, maybe.
The mic,
It's
the brands for mic.
would be WhatsApp than the chat, because WhatsApp we will have the message like if anyone wants to refer after this session also they can refer there.
Maybe a PDF with all the links, Professor.
Yeah, and Beenal wanted to know what should be the dimension of the ring light.
Ring light.
But mine was also a problem. You know, my ring light is only this much.
Short one.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So it depends for that that is giving you more light on your face because you have a short distance. So that is a good ring light for you. If someone is doing for a long wide angle, so this is not sufficient for me. I'm using now at 2 lights. I will show you. I'm using 2 lights now. Can you see?
Oh.
So these are 2 lights. So it depends according to their lighting setup and how many lights we are using. If I on this light, it will be completely different. It will cover your entire face. These lights are use it for mostly for makeups. So makeup being bride and makeup wala, these kind of lights use. There will be using more.
See,
So
all
what
these
is
girls, Vicky, all these girls, even when they go for training program, also Neha, Shruti, and all would lead to have those kind of makeup lights only.
Yes. Yeah, Venki, I'd like to know one thing.
Yes, sir.
With the help of a remote, can you adjust the camera angles or keep moving the camera to get a different angle or different? Is there a possibility?
With the help of remote,
gimbal, you can
or zoom in, zoom out, something like that.
Gimbal.
Sir, mostly don't go with the if you're taking a proper video, don't zoom in the middle. So that will be not good.
Okay.
At least take in a steady
or maybe
angle.
Maybe a little bit of a slide, little bit of side angle.
Those
moving.
slides and all those won't work, sir. Like for a professional video, steady angle is the best thing. If you go with the zooming, it will be in a cinematic way. It will go in a cinematic way, slidings and zoomings and all.
Okay.
Even we won't do like for testimonial videos and for company videos, interview videos, we won't zoom because we use only steady camera. At least we go with the 3-4 multiple angles. One is wide angle is perfect first, and then we go with the side angles, and one angle is completely portrait mode. They only close up till here, and we cover their eyes and their mouth and their actions.
Okay. Got it.
Steady angle is best. If you move in the middle, the video at least get some jerk also. There will be a not a good impact to the viewers.
Okay, got it.
So it's the same video which you are shooting. It's better to have 2 or more cameras so that you will have it in a different angles.
Yes.
Okay.
So if I like to say like in Sriram video also there is a small zoom in the middle.
Yeah.
So what I did is I have cropped that and I used only the voice part, and I have added some other visuals there so that it gave the good impact.
What is the difference between a camera and a mobile phone? Is there any limitations in mobile phone, or both are the output quality will be same?
If you have a good lighting, sir, there is no difference between both. So cameras are all for professional cameras are good. If you have a good camera in your if you have a good camera in your mobile phone, you can go with your mobile phone only. Nowadays, iPhone and OnePlus they are giving 64 megapixel cameras. If you go with the proper lighting, The mobile phone cameras is perfect for now, for starters.
Okay.
There's one thing actually. I used a Samsung and iPhone both before to record. Samsung, the sound has come very clearly, but when I was using the iPhone, there is some noise was coming around. Is there any settings issue?
iPhone mic is very professional, sir. So iPhone mic, I like you better you go with you buy one small mic, a pocket mic, and that will be use filter for that.
Otherwise, it catches the every
every air
noise
noise.
around.
So if I heard that iPhone mics are very professional, better than these all Boya and Rode mics, because the quality of the iPhone mics is much good. And you can use for iPhone mics also. There's some small mics or plugins are coming. You can use that mic, and with the filter, better you use with the filter.
Okay.
And do not use our headphone mics and or any other mics for making while making a video. Go with the
proper mic, proper color mic.
Yeah, go with the proper mic like this I have shown.
Yeah.
Don't use your headphones or earphone mics.
No, I was shooting directly like from the mobile, keeping it, and the other iPhone like it's basic. We know that iPhone quality is good, so I wanted to have it, but the sound was not good.
In
So
editing, we
I
can
didn't
do
know
it.
that.
We can change the we can remove the background like a air noise.
Okay. I'll try out.
Any other question anybody has? Because the idea of this particular session with Venki was that as professional speakers and coaches, and more number of people are getting into keynote speaking in our community, we want to ensure that Venki starts giving us small tips in terms of how do we shoot videos. So today, I think he gives certain tips. Now, I would want you, Venki, next time to tell us about how to use the green background.
Yes,
and
sir.
how do you edit the videos? Because, I think we have seen from Harish Reddy also that he uses green background. So how do we effectively use the green background, right? So
yes, sir.
Can I move to the next thing in the agenda, or anybody has any last question to ask for Venki? Any one of you?
Venki?
Yeah, Neha, go ahead.
Venki, when I shoot the video, my eyes are looking like I stuck in something. It's not moving. So where we have to see when we are taking the video? I'm so much confused in that many times.
Always look in the lens. The lens. Don't look at if you're recording in through your mobile phone. Most of the people look in the center of the mobile phone. They won't look like they look in the display. Always look direct into the camera lens. So that gives eye contact much better eye contact.
Thank you.
Right. Okay, can we move to the last thing in the agenda? Thank you very much. For the first time, we are coming live on Facebook. I'm not sure when we started the first awesome community meeting, right? So at the end of the first batch of Become a Speaker, we started the awesome community meeting where we meet on every first Friday and the third Friday. Okay, the next community meeting is going to, because we've got 2 batches now, so we have a few of them who joined a little late. Probably at the end, we can take it from them. When we were doing the launch with Pratik and Meenal as the host, because I thought that I had already educated these guys on something which is very vital. But after all, it was around 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. if I'm right, Pratik. I went for shopping and came back 3:30.
Yes,
30 was the launch, 45 was the launch. I asked Pratik, okay, now introduce the first speaker, okay, who's going to come and speak. So he started. So immediately he said, the first speaker for the evening is going to be Manoj, and Manoj is now heading. Now I said, stop. Now understand, all of us would have an opportunity, whether online or in a few months from now or a year from now, which is probably not in our hands, is that we all as speakers would have to introduce others. You know, those of you who attend conventions, those of you who attend conferences, those of you who attend training programs, those of you who attend even small events, you have this thing of introducing the speakers. And most people make this mistake. So the master of ceremony walks in. Neha is the master of ceremony. She comes there and stands, and she's supposed to introduce MS Dhoni. Okay, so she says, the next speaker for the evening is the person whom we all love the most, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And now we all know Mahendra Singh Dhoni comes from a small town of Ranchi in Jharkhand. He made his debut in the year 2004, and he was a wicketkeeper batsman. And he went on to become the captain of the Indian. Now nobody is interested in listening to Neha, because everybody's eyes is now on MS Dhoni. Now everybody wants to listen to MS Dhoni. Now who is interested in listening to Neha? Nobody is interested in listening to Neha. So when Pratik said the first person who's going to speak today in the launch of JVC Sriram Sir's book, No Reference Point, is Manoj of Cajun, I said, stop. Now the spotlight has already shifted to Manoj. The spotlight has to be on the speaker till the time the person who's going to be introduced comes into the picture. Are you all getting what I'm saying? Right? So you need to, and this is a mistake which people do in every convention. People make this mistake in every conference, in every training program. In fact, even in my training program, yesterday I was there in Coal India, online, not offline, online. So managers of Coal India and leaders of Coal India Limited. So the guy who's the learning and development head, we have with us our speaker for the afternoon today, and he is an author, and his name is Mr. JVC Sriram, and JVC Sriram is blah, 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 blah. Now nobody was interested in listening to him, and my introduction also went waste. Because once they know the speaker, where is the question of listening to them? So my credential also went waste. So I am going to give you a simple formula today in this community meeting on how you got to introduce speakers. And in the next community meeting, how many of them I'll tell you a little later, Pratik. And for the first time, you're going to have a competition. There are going to be judges. So the best introduction will get an award. Niti, does it sound good? We'll have some fun. We'll have some fun this time. Okay. So next to next, I think the next community meeting is on the 18th of September. Right? So we're going to have, so now how do you introduce yourself? I'm going to give you a formula. I have with me another 11 minutes. I'm not going to take 11 minutes. I'm going to take probably 6 minutes. After that, we can have the wow for the day. TISN formula. What is the formula? Have you heard of this formula? TISN formula. What is TISN formula?
Sir, voice.
It's not audible.
Sir, voice not audible.
Right now?
Low.
Yeah,
low.
now it's okay.
Yeah, voice went up.
Okay, now it's better? Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
yes.
better.
Okay. Now TISN is, how do you say is, the first is the topic. What is the topic? I still remember there was a guy who was introducing, if I'm right, probably Saurabh Bothra can tell me whether this is right or not. In Gibraltar, I gave this exercise in EY. The guy said, so today we have come here to listen to the ethics which needs to be maintained in sports. And it's very important that ethics are maintained. And without ethics, sports is not sports. Sports build character. And the one character which we want is ethic. He was actually introducing Thierry Henry. Thierry Henry, the previous year, was the one who used his hand to put a goal and took France to the World Cup finals. Okay, it is the most abusive introduction you can ever think of. So the topic, So the topic, the relevance of the topic needs to be given. That's the point number one. So topic, what is the topic? What is the topic? The topic for the day is how can we easily get out of the pandemonium caused by the pandemic? Okay. The topic can be 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, that's all. The next is, what is the interest for the audience on the topic? What is the interest for the audience on the topic? Why this topic? The first batch people always know, ECC, emotionally charged connection, you guys have addressed. So in that, what we talked about, why? So why is this topic important? Why is it touching your heart? So that's the next one. Okay. Friends, all of us would like to know, how can a boy or a girl living, born in a remote village in a corner in India can come up in any sphere? Wouldn't you like to know? Because right here in this online conference, we have people joining from different parts of the country and different parts of the world. We have people from Dubai, we have people from Chhattisgarh, we have people from Mumbai, we have people from Rajasthan, we have people who's going to fly to Canada, we have people from Haryana. Small town, people are here. And we would all like to know what happens, the interest comes into the picture. Why is this topic? Right? So topic, the interest of this topic, why this topic. Next comes the speaker's credentials. Why should I listen to this guy? So when we are introducing Mr. P.R. Ramesh, Pratik kept mentioning, yes. What did you say? You said some word, Unmute. You said, yes, it's true. We have with us
Chairman of Deloitte India. And yes, for all these CA students over here, it's just like yes, he is here. Something like that.
Yeah.
So just to create the excitement.
Create the excitement around the speaker. Around the speaker. Here is a boy who was not selected for under-19 Indian team. Here was a boy who was not born to an aristocratic family. But here is a man who won what was the dream for every Indian who's sitting here. Now what is happening? You're creating the buzz. Make it big, make the speaker big. Make him mega, make him large. And then the final is the name. Once you are, in fact, we used to run this competition where there are several people where what would happen is that after the name is announced, chup, baito. In fact, you get disqualified. So, my dear friends, for your eyes only, for today only, for in this meeting, presenting to you the man who made 1.37 billion people celebrate, go mad, go bonkers, for your eyes only, MS Dhoni. That's it. No, MS Dhoni, the man who led India, that's all over, he's disqualified. Not a word comes, because the whole spotlight, because see, look at it. If you attended great events, Oscar, Grammy, Olympics, everything, what happens? The spotlight will be, the arc light will be on the host. The moment the name is announced, check, the spotlight will shift to the speaker. And E walking up, I think you must have all seen the Grammy and the Oscar, and E walking up the dais and everything will be dark, and E would be on the spotlight and will walk up. Now, this is how you have to introduce. Is that clear? You have only 1 minute. Pratik, economy of words.
Yes, sir.
EOW. Being an economist is one thing, but economy of words is even more important. Okay. So the next awesome community meeting, we will have the editing of video by Venki. And I'm going to limit the number of participants. And it's going to be exciting. Come prepared, come practice. And the excitement. See, you should introduce the speaker in such a manner where the speaker should get nervous. Okay, the speaker should get nervous. In fact, actually speaking, the audience should say, hey, the master of ceremony introduced spoke better than the speaker himself. That's the challenge for all of you. Game on, all of you, game on, right? So we will meet up. So great. So right now, I hope 18th is the day where he is going or not. I don't know. Swagat Kumar's flight to Canada. I don't know when it is going to be. So we're going to have that. So we are last few minutes of the community meeting. So any wow moment for the day, any one of you, quickly unmute yourself. And I want people like Shruti and Neha to come and speak, because you guys, if you guys are going to go and speak in so many forums, I want you to come and participate in this. Yes, Bharat.
Yeah, so TISN is a great formula to introduce a speaker. And somewhere I was also doing some mistakes in, getting speaker on. Like, you came on Tuesday and I didn't introduce you very well. So next time I know how to introduce speaker very well.
No issues.
So that formula will work that time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Right. So anybody else wants to say the wow moment for the day?
I've also done a lot of MC.
Yeah.
But TISN is the wow moment for the day, because I haven't done it before, in this way, what you've explained. Okay. I think it's a wow moment for me.
Yeah, wonderful. Yes, wow. Go ahead.
Yeah.
TISN, sir, again, TISN, because when you said that, you can even make the speaker nervous, what's bigger than that for a MC?
Even, you should also teach your children, because your children will also be going and, introducing, get this into the culture at a very young age. And then it becomes very easy. Okay, very easy. Anybody else?
Sir, wow moment for me is so funny, but I want to, when you said today's chief guest, I'm so shocked. What are you saying? And TISN formulas are very super.
Okay, wonderful.
The wow factor is the third fan of the cricket who is writing the book. We know JVC and Pratik. Now Bharat is joining that.
No, Saurabh Bothra is already an author. He has been elevated from consultant to the author. Saurabh Bothra, me and Pratik, with Bharat Jitani as the consultant and Raghuram Natarajan as the advisor, because they are also big time cricketers. Yeah. So last few announcements, I think, I'll be running probably a Become a Speaker third batch, not immediately. Maybe it will take another couple of 2 weeks or 3 weeks later. I'll be running a Become a Speaker batch. And I'll be opening up my coaching and mentoring for the next 1 year. As I told you, I did not do it because of the book launch, and I'll be doing it in the next few days. So I'll keep a personal message. If any one of you is interested in knowing more, you can get in touch with me. Mr. Raghuram, how was the feel of the book?
I've just opened the book cover.
Okay.
So the book is then in my hand. Now it's start to finish as early as possible is what I'll be aspiring to do. Maybe another couple of days time, I should be in a position to complete it.
We would always say you don't judge the book by the cover, but if the cover is not good, the book, you'll not even touch the book. That's what I would keep saying. So in that sense, does the cover impress you?
Absolutely. There's no doubt about it. And it's definitely going to be a quick finish book.
Yeah, that's what everybody is saying, but not many of them have laid their hands onto it. If you're not laid your hands, if you're not ordered it, please go and order now. Okay. Yes. And I look forward to listening to you. I want to have a public feedback and also a private critical view on a personal phone.
Yes.
There is always scope for improvement. Okay. So it's 9 p.m. now, and I enjoyed this meeting. Okay. The last meeting was moral of the story was good. Moral of the story was born from the second batch. The TISN was born because of the launch. I think we'll keep exploring. There are so many things are there. And we'll keep exploring, and there is so much more to learn, and we'll keep coming back. Yes.
And another wow is we are on live on Facebook.
Yeah. I just thought we should go live. Inspired by Bharat. Bharat went live at some stage in the book club meeting which he had. Okay. So I thought I will also go that method of, once we'll also show to the world, we are also there.
Yeah.
I think we have two more. I think two latecomers, Rituraj and KRM. I think I don't know who's
KRM is also, I think, Rituraj.
Abhinav Maithai is also there.
Abhinav Maithai is introduced.
No, he is introduced. Rituraj.
Oh, Kyati. Kyati is called KRM.
Okay, okay.
Kyati came exactly on time for this thing.
Okay.
Tizen.
Yes.
Okay,
So we can
I'm
listen to
stopping on
Ritu-
Facebook. I'll stop now. Okay, the meeting is formally ended, but I was in another meeting.
Can I ask Rituraj to introduce in case if.
Yeah, Rituraj, you can introduce yourself. Rituraj, is video
Yeah.
connection and audio is always a challenge. Yeah.
So he's a member of RM actually.
Yeah.
So Rituraj, your name, what do you do, where are you from, and that's it.
Yeah. Hi friends, happy evening. This is Rituraj Kumar Jha. I'm from Bihar. Since 2002, I'm here in Hyderabad. And I have my 2 units here in GD Metla, Hyderabad, where I manufacture plastic components, molded plastic components for so many industries I make. That is introduction.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Please join on time hereafter. It will be good. It will be.
I'm really sorry, sir.
No problem.